I don't know.
Yeah, that's a fake trail.
No.
The sticks are there so that you don't get misled.
All right, so we went hiking. I'm not prepared. I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. I didn't realize it would be 49 degrees up here in the Mount Rainier National Forest. First time really ever deep into the gates here. So we'll see where we wind up. But there's wildflowers, there's lakes, there's pathways with a cool group of people here. So ready for the fun. I got some fudge here. Thanks, Robert. Makes the fudge. We're on Naches Peak. Naches Peak Loop Trail. 3 miles, easy hike, only 500 feet. We're going up there, I think. I don't know. I didn't bring my drone. I suck. Let's go have some fun. Let's go. Fun. Woo! The water there, you can't see it, and I can't see it because I can't step on the pathway, is full of tadpoles, little frogs. Right, frogs or fish? Frogs. Tadpoles. Frogs. Frogs.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go!
Michael, you should go right here so I can get a good shot.
You're right there. They said post for a picture. I post for a picture. I didn't die, Mom. I'm good. Yet. I may die. We'll see. Hope not.
You will not die.
Hope not.
You will not die.
What incredible views we have up here. There's snow down there.
So there's the mom.
There's fog.
Is the baby following it?
There's another chipmunk off there.
Oh, there is another chipmunk.
Yeah, out here. Mountains. Don't know their names. Part of the Cascades. Mount Rainier somewhere in the area. This guy wearing an Eagles shirt here. That's pretty cool. Go Birds. I did not bring my Did not bring my drone, sadly, so I would love to fly it out here toward Dewey Lake behind me, right there. There's mountains, there's snow tops, and we're all stopped here. This tour is very popular. The hike is popular, not a tour, it's a hike. Spectacular, really.
Going across the bridge. Going across the bridge. Hope it don't fall.
Let's see. It's a little wooden bridge here over a fairly dry creek, but look at that view. It's like a Disney movie. There's birds. Hey, Michelle. Gorgeous. A lot of Russian things. There's people visiting from Russia. But we go on. Again, I'm so sad I don't have my drone on me. I know people would say, oh, it's an annoyance, it's a hindrance, but whatever. It's spectacular. Like, if I talk to you, I'm going this way. You can see if I zoom in when I edit how gorgeous it is. A choice was made to continue.
Do they merge?
Swing it to the left, swing it to the right, swing to the right all night, or something like that.
Something like that. Yeah. 1980 something.
Look at the flowers swing. All coupley. I wonder how you guys look right now. Terrible. Yeah.
The wildflowers behind me are spectacular. There's I guess a few types of them. There's even more going down this hill right here.
Don't let you lie.
I'm a wildflower. I bloom everywhere. I'll pollinate your whole neighborhood. Yeah. Uh-oh. He's a wildflower down there. There's so many. I should go all the way down the valley here.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
It's just insane.
It just keeps going and going.
Michelle, where is it? I never saw it. Oh, there, dude. It looks very scary.
Now, I couldn't imagine going up there. See if it, yeah, there we go. Going up there would be wild. We had an option to. It's just so high. Whoa, almost fall. There's a lake here, right there. We may stop there. Ugh! My feet are getting stuck in the mud. What the hell? What the hell? Let's stick the camera in the water and see what we find. Probably nothing. Let's see. Well, we survived the trail. The sign didn't though. The sign fell off.
Yeah, there's no horses out here. It's weird they have that.
So we survived the trail. Gorgeous trail, incredible sights. Wish my drone was here, but wildflowers.